Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to write a code with the help of implementation of relational operators. In that I will print some float values, and I will use some relational operator and relational expressions. Now let's start. Here I created my package name, that is package test. After that, in my class name I declared public class relational operator. After that, in my method declaration I used public static void main string a. Here I took some floating values, that is a is equal to 15.0 f means float, comma b is equal to 20.7 f, phi f, c is equal to 15.0 f. Now I am going to print the float value with the help of relational operators. Here you can see uh, system.out.println a is equal to plus a. Before I also said why here I use plus symbol, because it's act as the concatenation operator of two strings, and the value of integer number and float number is converted into string representation before concatenation. Here next system.out.println b is equal to plus b. Then again system.out.println c is equal to c plus c. Here system.out.println a is less than b is plus a is less than b. Here you can see 15 is less than 20. Here I used is because when I will run the program, our statement will come true or false like relational operators. In while running the program, I will show you again system.out.println a is greater than b plus a is greater than b, false. Here you can see b is the greater than a, not a is greater than b. Here a is equal to c is a is equal to c. System.out.println a is a is less than or equal to b is plus a is less than or equal to c. A system.out.println a is greater than or equal to b is plus a greater than or equal to b. System.out.println b is not equal to c is plus b is equal to not equal to c. System.out.println b is equal to a plus c is plus b equal to a plus a. Now let's run the program and see. As I said you before, here we got the value of a, b and c. Then after that, a is less than b is true, a is greater than b is false, a is equal to c is true, a is less than equal to b is true, a is greater than or equal to b is false, and b is not equal to c is true, b is equal to a plus c is false. Thank you for watching my video guys. See you in next video.